Hello and welcome to another episode of our Cloud Forward series. I'm your host. We take a look at how industries are transforming with the help of cloud computing. Today we'll be focusing on the banking industry, specifically looking at the trends that are driving banks to adopt cloud technologies and the benefits they stand to gain by doing so. We all know that cloud computing is transforming every aspect of our lives. According to a recent survey conducted by Deloitte, 70% of banks are planning to migrate core banking systems to the cloud within the next 2 years, with 26% already underway in their journey. This trend indicates that cloud adoption in the banking sector is not just a choice, but a necessity for banks to remain competitive and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Now that we understand the reasons behind the shift to cloud, let's look at the top trends shaping cloud adoption in banking. Banks are increasingly adopting a hybrid cloud strategy that combines public, private, and on-premise clouds. This approach allows banks to maintain control over sensitive data while benefiting from the agility and scalability of public cloud services. For example, Deutsche Bank is implementing a hybrid cloud strategy to support its digital transformation initiatives. The bank is migrating core banking applications to the cloud and leveraging cloud-native technologies to enhance agility and improve customer experiences. Banks are recognizing the value of their data and are investing in data analytics capabilities to gain insights and make better decisions. Cloud-based data analytics platforms enable banks to process large volumes of data, identify patterns and trends, and improve business operations. For example, BNP Paribas is implementing a data-driven approach to risk management, leveraging cloud-based analytics tools to assess and mitigate risks across the organization. It has become an integral part of our daily existence, influencing how we work, play, and interact. AI and ML are being integrated into various banking processes, including fraud detection, risk management, and customer service. DBS Bank has been at the forefront of adopting cloud technologies in the UK banking sector. The bank has partnered with Microsoft to implement a cloud-based core banking system, becoming the first major UK bank to do so. By adopting Microsoft Azure, DBS Bank aims to improve its IT agility, scalability, and resilience, allowing the bank to respond quickly to changing business requirements and customer demands. If you're interested in learning more about cloud computing and its impact on the banking industry, we encourage you to check out our other videos in this series. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. Additionally, the bank is leveraging Microsoft's artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to enhance its risk management and fraud detection processes. Through its strategic collaboration with Microsoft, DBS Bank is driving innovation in the UK banking industry and setting a precedent for other financial institutions to follow. Cloud-based AI and ML solutions enable banks to analyze vast amounts of data, improve decision-making, and provide personalized customer experiences. They have embraced cloud-based solutions for various aspects of their operations, such as core banking, risk management, fraud detection, and data analytics. Looking ahead, we can expect even greater momentum in cloud adoption across the banking industry. As banks continue to face pressure to innovate, improve efficiency, and enhance security, cloud-based solutions will become increasingly attractive. Moreover, advancements in cloud technologies including serverless computing, edge computing, and quantum computing will open up new possibilities for banks to optimize their operations and provide innovative services. However, banks must also address the challenges associated with cloud adoption, such as data privacy, security, and compliance. By embracing a holistic approach that considers these challenges, banks can harness the full potential of cloud computing and drive sustainable growth in the years to come. Furthermore, these banks are staying ahead of the curve by keeping up with the latest cloud trends, including hybrid cloud environments, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and APIs. BBVA has been at the forefront of cloud adoption in the banking industry, investing heavily in cloud infrastructure and services. The bank has migrated a significant portion of its IT systems to the cloud, including its core banking platform. By adopting a cloud-first approach, BBVA has improved its IT agility, scalability, and resilience, allowing it to respond quickly to changing business requirements and customer demands. Additionally, the bank has implemented agile methodologies and DevOps practices to accelerate software development and delivery, further enhancing its IT efficiency and effectiveness. BBVA's cloud journey has enabled it to innovate faster, reduce costs, and improve customer experiences, positioning itself as a leader in the digital banking transformation. Banks are adopting API-led connectivity to integrate various systems and applications, improve efficiency, and provide innovative services. Standard Chartered has embarked on a digital transformation journey that includes a strategic partnership with Amazon Web Services. The bank is leveraging AWS cloud infrastructure to enhance its IT agility, scalability, and security. By adopting cloud-based solutions, Standard Chartered has improved its ability to deliver innovative banking services to customers while complying with strict regulatory requirements. Specifically, the bank has implemented AWS CloudSIEM to secure its encryption keys and protect sensitive customer data. Additionally, Standard Chartered is utilizing AWS Lambda for serverless computing, enabling the bank to process transactions quickly and efficiently. Through its collaboration with AWS, Standard Chartered is enhancing its IT capabilities and strengthening its position in the competitive banking industry. For instance, BBVA is utilizing APIs to connect with third-party providers, offering customers a wider range of financial products and services. For instance, Standard Chartered is using AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer service and provide 24/7 support. The bank has also implemented AI-driven fraud detection systems that analyze real-time transactions to identify suspicious activities. The possibilities that cloud offers are endless, which is why we created this series, to explore how businesses across various sectors are harnessing the power of cloud computing to innovate, scale, and thrive. Banks are exploring the use of blockchain for secure and efficient transactions, trade, finance, and supply chain financing. Cloud-based blockchain platforms enable banks to reduce transaction costs, improve transparency, and mitigate risks. For example, HSBC has partnered with fintech firms to develop a blockchain-based trade finance platform that streamlines documentation and automates trade processes. In each episode, we delve deep into a specific industry, uncovering the unique challenges and opportunities presented by the cloud revolution. Join us as we uncover the latest trends, technologies, and best practices shaping the future of cloud adoption across diverse industries. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Cloud Forward series, allow me to give you a quick overview. Let's take a closer look at the key drivers behind this transformation. Firstly, we have the need for agility and scalability. The banking industry is highly regulated and must comply with numerous rules and policies. As a result, banks often have complex IT infrastructures with multiple systems and applications that require a lot of manual effort to manage. Cloud adoption allows banks to leverage pre-configured, secure, and compliant environments, reducing the need for extensive customization and ongoing maintenance. Secondly, we have the rising demand for digital banking services. Customers now expect to access banking services anytime and anywhere through various devices and channels. Cloud-based solutions offer greater accessibility and enable banks to roll out new products and features faster, improving customer satisfaction. Another driver is the increasing frequency of cyber attacks and the need for enhanced security. Banks are prime targets for cybercriminals, and data breaches can have severe consequences. Cloud providers invest heavily in advanced security measures, and by leveraging their expertise and resources, banks can strengthen their overall security posture. Finally, there is the challenge of managing legacy systems. Many banks still rely on outdated core banking systems that were not designed for the demands of the modern digital era. Cloud migration enables banks to modernize their infrastructure, improve system performance, and reduce the risk of system failures. Now let's focus on the banking sector. The global banking industry is undergoing a significant transformation, with major players shifting their core systems from on-premise infrastructure to cloud. But why are these major financial institutions making this big shift? These factors are compelling banks worldwide to embrace cloud technology and drive innovation in the industry. The first trend is the move towards a hybrid cloud environment. The second trend is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Another trend is the adoption of blockchain technology. The fourth trend is the increased use of APIs. Application programming interfaces, or APIs, are essential for connecting different systems and enabling seamless data exchange. Finally, the last trend is the growing importance of data analytics. These trends highlight how the banking industry is embracing new technologies to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. Now let us take a closer look at some of the leading banks that are successfully adopting cloud technologies. The first bank we'll be looking at is BBVA, a global financial services group based in Spain. The next bank we'll be discussing is Standard Chartered, a multinational banking and financial services company with a strong presence in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Finally, let's discuss DBS Bank, a leading bank in the United Kingdom. As we have seen, these banks are successfully adopting cloud technologies to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. But what does the future hold for cloud adoption in banking? Thank you for joining us on this episode of our Cloud Forward series. We hope you found this video insightful and informative.